Spelling pretest for May 11th to the 15th. Number 1, auxiliary. He joined the auxiliary group to help the community. Auxiliary. Number 2, accidentally. He accidentally spilled his milk. Accidentally. Number 3, incidentally. Incidentally, he took the bus into town. Incidentally. Number 4, mischiefs. He was up to a lot of mischief during school. Number 5, separately. He did his work separately from his friend. Separately. Number 6, miniature. He took the miniature train at the amusement park. Miniature. Number 7, privilege. It is a privilege to go to school. Privilege. Number 8, conscious. He was conscious during the operation. Conscious. Number 9, picturesque. He liked to drive on the picturesque road. Picturesque. Number 10, masquerade. He went to the masquerade ball. Masquerade. Number 11, chaperone. He needed a chaperone for the field trip. Chaperone. Number 12, camouflage. He wore camouflage on the moose hunt. Camouflage. Number 13, mannerism. His mannerism showed kindness and soft-heartedness. Mannerism. Number 14, gourmet. The gourmet chef cooked the perfect meal. Gourmet. Number 15, expertise. His expertise is in fixing big machinery. Expertise. Number 16, veterinarian. He took his dog to the veterinarian. Number 17, maintenance. He took his car in for his bi-yearly maintenance. Maintenance. Number 18, hindrance. His backpack was a hindrance when he walked to school. Hindrance. Number 19, biennial. They celebrated the biennial of the country. Biennial. Number 20, monotony. This online learning is full of monotony. 21, monocle. His one eyepiece was his monocle. Monocle. 22, biannual. The 5K running race was biannual. Number 23, conscience. When he told a lie, it was on his conscience. Number 24, corsage. I wore a corsage at the wedding. 25, mirage. The unicorn was a mirage. 26, disinterested. He acted disinterested in the online learning. 27, uninterested. I am uninterested in teaching online again. Uninterested. 28, boutique. I would rather own a small boutique. 29, resume. My resume only has teaching positions. It's very weak. Resume. Number 30, fluctuate. The level of the water will fluctuate as it rains. Fluctuate. And there's your words. You may check them on the link below.